Hi, welcome to Pullback Indicators. I welcome you to our intraday trading strategy video. The word strategy is everyone's favorite, and today's topic will be intraday trading strategy. I have created an excellent strategy where beginners can also use. I have used pullback indicators with support and resistance. This indicator is the best indicator for intraday trading. So I want all of you to watch the entire intraday trading strategy. In this video, I have given entire information of how many target and stop loss were hit. I have backtested this strategy for last 1 month and found it to be very profitable strategy for intraday. Let's go through the strategy first. Very simple strategy. You can see there is a buy and sell signal. The red lines are the resistance level. The yellow line is the pivot level and the green line is the support zone. When you get buy signal on support, we will trade. When you get sell signal on resistance level, we will sell. If we get sell signal on buy levels, then we want trade. And if the buy signal comes on resistance level, again we will ignore. Any signal which comes in between the support and pivot zone or resistance and pivot zone, we will ignore. For a buy signal, we will buy only if the signal comes just above the support level or just above the pivot line, where a candle should breach the pivot level and give a closing just above the pivot zone. We will take a buy. And for sell, we will sell just below the resistance zone, or if a candle is breaching the pivot level and giving a closing just below the pivot zone, we will sell here. And stop loss, the previous candle high will be the stop loss for sell, and for buy, the previous candle low will be the stop loss. Any signal which comes outside the support and resistance zone, you have to ignore. So let's start the video. Welcome to this wonderful video where you will learn an unique strategy on intraday trading. First, go to tradingview.com, open your desired stock. We will use pullback indicators. Why use pullback indicator in trading? Number one reason, to avoid fake breakouts. Number two, to reduce losing trades. Number three, double confirmation before trade. Number four, small stop loss and big win. Number five, to follow strategic discipline. When you use pullback indicators, you will get less amount of fake signals. When you get less amount of fake signals, you will definitely reduce on your losing trades. You will always get double confirmation before entering into any trade. The stop losses are always small and the targets are always big. To follow strategic discipline. Here, discipline is the foundation of all functional trading strategies. Remaining disciplined all the times, you will be able to achieve your trading goals. So once we have applied the indicator on chart, you can see the buy and sell signal along with the resistance and support level will automatically come. You don't need to add separate indicator or chart for support resistance. It will come along with the indicator. Use only one indicator, it is more than enough. So what is the strategy? Strategy is you have to sell when you get a sell signal on resistance level, either on this level or just below the pivot line when a candle breaches and close. So here it did not happen, and on this candle we got a sell. The stop loss, the previous candle high will be our stop loss, and this support will be our first target, the second will be our second target, and the third green line our third target. So as your first target is achieved, shift your stop loss to your selling price. When your second target is achieved, shift your stop loss to your first target. This way you have to trail your stop loss. So today what happened? First target achieved, second target achieved, third target. All third target got achieved. You can use this indicator for stocks as well as on Bank Nifty and Nifty also. Today I am showing on stocks. I have a separate video for on Bank Nifty and Nifty. Those who want to see the separate video for Bank Nifty, I will put down the link in the description of this video. So for reference purpose, I am showing you today's performance on Bank Nifty. There was a sell signal on this candle 255 at 34,630 levels, and it came down till 34,444. And for Nifty, again there was a sell signal here on resistance zone, and it went down right till here. But today I will be discussing only about stocks. This is a Hindustan lever chart. Our time frame will be 3 minutes for stock, and we'll use general candlesticks. There was a buy signal on support zone, and the candle just opened in our support level. This is your buying zone, and you can see first target, and it went up right till here. Let's see some other stocks. This is Tata Steel. So you can see we got the signal outside the support level. Any signal which comes outside the support level or outside the resistance zone, you have to ignore. This is a Sun Pharma chart. First there was a buy signal on resistance level, you need to ignore. Then sell signal on support zone, again we'll ignore. Then again there was a buy signal, and on this candle 10:45 the buy was executed. Our entry was here and stop loss was previous candle low. But soon after there was a sell signal and your stop loss got triggered. How many points? Just 4 to 5 points only. People who don't use stop loss in trading, their entire profits are taken by a single loss only. Remember that. What is the importance of stop loss? Because every trade has 5 outcomes. First one, break even. Second, small profit. Third, small loss. Fourth, big win. Fifth, big loss. And it is your stop losses which will eventually make your trades or convert your trades into big wins because of your stop loss. And stop loss should not be in your mind. When you take a trade, it should go along with the trade. And the beauty of pullback indicator is your losses will be very small. So even if 2 to 3 stop losses gets triggered, don't worry, just focus on the big reward. Very soon I will be coming up with a new video which is called the reverse stop loss. Means if you have taken a trade here and your stop loss got triggered, on the very buying price or your stop loss level, if you get a reverse signal just below the pivot level or resistance level, then you can reverse your position and recover your losses and also make some profit. This strategy will work almost 7 times out of 10 times, and there is this is a complete separate strategy. It is not that your stop loss got triggered and there was a signal and you have traded. No, there is some method which needs to be followed. It has to be a back-to-back signal where your stop loss got triggered and the reverse signal came either on your entry level or on your stop loss level. Only then. I will make a separate video very soon. This is power grid. You can see sell signal, and the very same candle breached and gave a close just below the resistance level. So we'll enter here. Previous candle will be the stop loss and first target, and you can see almost first target done. If you trade with patience and follow the strategy properly, you can recover the indicator cost in just one trade or one day. Sometimes you should spend on learning also. It will give you good returns on the long run. Stock market is not dangerous. Lack of knowledge is dangerous. Understand the behavior of the markets properly. Have patience. Treat the markets as a business. Spend time on quality learning. Most important, do fail, but don't fail to try. Learn from your past mistakes and trade with discipline. This was all about Bank Nifty intraday strategy. And before you start your trading, always backtest this strategy yourself. Do paper trading for few days, then start your trading journey. This indicator works across all market segments in Bank Nifty, Nifty, equity, commodity, forex and crypto. Along with the indicator, you will also get our strategy videos on how to trade, when to enter, where to exit and put stop loss. This indicator works on TradingView chart. You can use this indicator on your smartphone and also your desktop browser. You don't require any paid version of TradingView. If you have any queries, you can email or WhatsApp. My team will coordinate with you. I am giving flat 50% discount for a limited time period. I have kept the indicator price very reasonable so that most of the traders who are willing to learn can come forward, use it and benefit from this indicator. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe, and don't forget to take care of yourself and your parents. Thank you very much for watching. God bless.